Your inbox should not look like a digital battlefield just because you decided to organize your passwords. Yet that is exactly what happens when you jump into certain high-end security tools without a clear plan. I spent weeks digging through the trenches of self-hosted vault options because the same two names keep appearing in every single privacy forum. Everyone wants a definitive winner, but the truth is far more interesting than a simple ranking. Think about the resource usage for a moment. One of these contenders is a masterpiece of efficiency. It is written in a programming language known for its memory safety and raw speed. It runs on a mere 50 megabytes of random access memory. That is an absurdly small footprint. You could tuck this away on a tiny hobbyist computer the size of a deck of cards. It would still have plenty of room to run a dozen other services alongside it. It is compatible with all the mainstream apps you are already used to. This makes the mobile experience feel fast and polished. You get the autofill, the biometrics, and the convenience without any monthly subscription costs. But then you have the heavy-duty option. This tool treats security like a professional chore rather than a simple convenience. It utilizes a specific type of open encryption where every single password is treated as its own isolated island. If a single credential in your list is somehow leaked, the rest of your vault remains locked. They stay behind their own individual cryptographic walls. It has been poked and prodded by top-tier security firms. It meets the highest professional standards for data compliance. This is for the person who needs to manage a team of many people. It is for those who require a detailed audit log for every single action taken within the database. The permissions are granular to the point of obsession. You can decide exactly who sees what, right down to a single login entry. However, that power comes with a massive side of friction. You cannot even log into the web interface without a specific browser extension installed. If you prefer the native browser on your sleek aluminum laptop, you are going to be disappointed. There is no support for it at all right now. And then there is the notification issue. Importing a large database can trigger a literal flood of hundreds of emails. That is enough to make anyone want to throw their monitor out the window. This is the ultimate trade-off between a consumer-friendly experience and a corporate-grade fortress. One is built for the individual who wants a lightweight private vault that just works across all their devices. The other is a specialized tool for organizations. It is for teams that value compliance and granular control over everything else. If you are a solo user or managing a small household, the lightweight champion is almost impossible to beat. It offers simplicity and very low overhead. Perhaps you are building an infrastructure for a company. If you need to prove your security posture to professional auditors, the enterprise-grade tool is the clear choice. We need to stop asking which one is the best in a vacuum. Start asking which one fits the specific shape of your digital life. One is a sleek, fast motorcycle for the open road. The other is an armored transport truck built for high-stakes cargo. Both will get you there, but the journey feels completely different depending on which seat you are sitting in. You are looking at two very different solutions for two very different problems. Make sure you know which fire you are trying to put out before you commit your data to the flames.